We're back with the dish, and something smells sweet. So what's cooking, Danica?
Oh, we're gonna make the easiest peanut butter chocolate chip cookies ever. So they're paleo-inspired. Yeah. If you're really hardcore paleo, peanuts are a legume, so you wouldn't eat them, but we're not that hardcore. So we're gonna mix the peanut butter with coconut sugar.
Yes.
An egg, a little baking soda, and some vanilla extract. Now,
going
the
fast,
one
y'all.
thing, I'm a dump recipe girl. So one thing that's important is that with a peanut butter or whatever nut butter you use, if you want to use almond or cashew or something else, if you don't have to mix it with a knife to stir it up and mix the oil with it, it's gonna probably spread out on the pan because it has palm oil in it. So get the kind that you need to mix.
Tip.
Yeah, this will hold up much better when it doesn't have any other ingredients other than the nut and salt. Maybe.
Sleeves happening
So
here.
mix that up, and then I like to add the chocolate in after it's all mixed up.
Wait, that's it?
You can eat that. If it's in the mixer, you can eat it.
Oh, wait, this is literally the whole recipe? This is the easy, this is amazing.
And then put the chocolate chips in, and then roll them into balls. And then what I like to do is, like, when they're done, put a little bit of sea salt on the top, because isn't that so good when your tongue like catches a little bit of that sweet and salty flavor? So that's it. They're super easy, super simple, and you're not getting dairy, you're not getting gluten. It's so easy to find dairy-free chocolate chips.
I didn't know, Danica, that you were such a health nut. I know you're totally into CrossFit. Can you tell me why it is that you're currently obsessed with CrossFit right now?
Yeah.
Well, I'm very competitive, and the first workout I went and did.
You?
Wait, look at this lift. Are you seeing this depth? How much are you lifting here?
Those are 95-pound cleans.
Beast mode. Look at this.
I'm just really competitive. So the first CrossFit workout I went to was a Saturday workout, and anyone that does it knows what I'm talking about. It's usually in teams. So we won. And so I was addicted. Of course, that was it.
And
a
then
win,
it stayed
and
forever. I'm eating this. How many push-ups can you do in a row? Would you show us a few of your
Probably
push-ups?
40. I'd
40?
say at least. Yeah.
I'm going to challenge you after the show.
Oh, yeah,
just
no
curious.
problem. Yeah.
So, as the football fan and ex-player, not at the NFL level, of course, but is Aaron paleo, Aaron Rodgers?
Yeah, he'll eat whatever I make. Yeah, for sure.
Like most guys.
But that's the hardest part, is like getting your partner, your family to come along for the ride, and he's totally game.
And you know what? He appreciates it. And I don't know if you guys it's nice when someone appreciates your food and the love you put into it, and especially going the extra mile to make it really healthy. Yeah. So
if a star NFL quarterback is going paleo, I think we all think about just so y'all clear on this. It's simple, easy to do. It's what the caveman used to eat, and I appreciate you doing it. Guys, you're fantastic. Thanks for joining the Dish Crew. You can find the paleo-inspired chocolate peanut butter cookie recipe at DrOz.com/thedish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.